This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all sub-regions of the Bordeaux wine region of France in the southwestern part of France, an area on the left bank that includes some of the most famous villages and appellations in Bordeaux. Left banks such as Margaux, Pauillac, Saint-Estephe and Saint-Julien. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Médoc, with the typical French pronunciation Médoc, 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 Médoc. It'd be fine in English or American to say Médoc, Médoc. The wines from Médoc. The wines from Médoc. I hope this video was useful. Here is another video listing the top 20 Bordeaux wine regions and wine appellations, the top Bordeaux wines that you should absolutely nail the pronunciation of. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.